for tuning in back to another video. Today we're just gonna do a makeup tutorial with affordable drugstore products. So I'm just gonna start with my brows. Just gonna outline them. Put your arch there. My brows before I fill them in. See. I don't normally get my eyebrows arched, so I'll touch them up myself, or I'll just hide them with concealer. Your choice. So I'm just gonna brush those out. Should have a nice little flared out brow. Don't worry, we're not done. With my e.l.f. brow fill kit. Just gonna take the little end of this. Just go in. I use brow gel by e.l.f. Just gonna take a angle brush. So now I'm just gonna highlight my brows with, wait, this is the new foundation I'm gonna use this on. Okay, so I'm just gonna outline my brows with my foundation, which I will show you when it's foundation time. But all I'm gonna do is just kind of highlight under the brow with the foundation. And this hides all of the hairs and anything you don't want people to see. I love it. You just kind of bring it down. And it blends really well. Okay, as you can see, I've applied my foundation, but don't worry, we are not done with the eyes, but we're gonna go ahead and apply the foundation. My favorite foundation is Maybelline Fit Me. I am in the shade 355 Coconut, but this is my absolutely favorite eyeshadow foundation. So just going to take a little bit, not too much. All you need is a little, and your face will be like covered. I think I have too much. That's much I have, so I'm just gonna dab it here. I really want to wipe some of this off, so I'm just gonna use a different brush. What do you guys think? If you love it, leave a comment right now. Like, I love this stuff. Like, it does so well. Like, it doesn't make you, but it doesn't make me feel oily or just like it's too much, like I have on a double face. Just love this foundation. Tell a friend to tell a friend. So next I'm just gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. You can easily find this at your nearest beauty supply store, and you just get the shade that works best for you. So now we're just gonna go in under the eye with our handy dandy concealer. So next you want to take your beauty blender. Mine's is pretty dirty right now, but make sure it's a little damp, and you're just gonna pat. Don't drag it down, but you're gonna pat it. So next you want to take your handy dandy NYX a mineral set it, don't fret it, matte finishing powder. I'm just gonna set under my, kind of everywhere where I put the concealer besides my nose. And I have a different beauty blender. And you know, you're more than welcome to set however long you would like. I'm just going to set under my eyes. I really don't like a whole lot, like I see most people doing. Okay, so I'm just gonna dab here in this area. Dust this off. Dab that chin. I'll let this sit on for a couple minutes. Okay, so I went on ahead and applied my lashes. I'm not the best at applying lashes. I really wish I was better than what I've done. They're okay, but I like the long and nice lashes people be wearing. So now we're just going to cut that out. But now I'm just gonna fan away all of my powder. So next I'm just gonna take my e.l.f. palette with my brown little bronzer here. Just gonna put some on the brush. And then she got your shimmy, shimmy, shimmy highlight right here. Use the same brush. It's okay. Same brush. Just going to go on top of that. You see that? Oh, girl, are you cutting me with your highlight? I think I am. Next, I'm just going to go in with the blush. I have the Fashion Fair. And the shade that I have is Divine Pink. Beauty blush. See that? Put it on. So now what you want to do, you want to just finish your face off with the Photo Finisher Primer Makeup Spray. Okay, trying to get it to even see it. There you go. Just going to this will set your makeup to the side so it'll blend really well. There we go.